Yes.
Yes, people.
Here is my brother here, Odiero Bernard.
Yeah, boss Wenya Sembo hapa kwa YouTube channel.
YouTube channel. We are trying our best.
Well, we are trying. Oh, it is not easy.
To live in
trying.
It is not easy to live in Nairobi.
Nairobi, it is raining.
Earning its 4.5 billion shillings from an estimated 1.4 million active users daily on the platform. Mshwari, another lending and savings platform on the other hand, saw its disbursements decline by 27.1% during the period under review, posting 94.5 billion shillings compared to 129.6 billion shillings posted in 2020. With at least 4 million active users borrowing an average of 5,500 shillings daily, the platform earned the telco 2.2 billion shillings in the financial period under review. In terms of repayment, Fiba achieved a 98% rate of repayment, while Mshwari posted a 57% rate. M-Pesa, the belle of the ball of Safaricom's revenue in the recent past, however, posted a marginal decline, earning at 82.6 billion shillings compared to 84 billion
not Mugicha.
This according to the CEO
has done the thing, imefanya ile kitu. Where did the BBI go? Judges, where did you fail us? Why is it Nile and avoid? Because Nile and River Nile. One fan kama noma. Oku patenti. Karibu sana tukaba na boss Wenya Sembo mazee. Subscribe this YouTube channel. Subscribe this YouTube channel ya boss Wenya Sembo. Mwanangu huyo. Nduguye. Toka Sembo pacho. Sembo dala. Jamjengo is where I also come from. For those who don't know. Ina my TV. Mani luongoni na ingane. Luongoni na Williams. Marija Nigeria ja. Yamagore. Ni TV kanyo mos. Iweyo. Wabiru kanyo ki tum maliet. Tum metika igolo dijani. Tumbiro kama met maki kia. Tokara kiki bede YouTube ka. Yawa karibuni sana. Koth chwe Nairobi, boss. Koth chwe sana. It is raining, cats and dog. Nandi kuka mane insha. Kuzuma jani composition. Jaga lal kendo. Yonge YouTube ni namaga. Bani ka ng'iyo. Ibu ga biro ka Facebook. Unano people watching us from diaspora.
FOD records.
FOD. Karibuni hawa. You way maden. Karibu sana. Boss Wenya Sembo. Mama ni mama. Kuko de kaja. Karibuni sana jameni. Hivi ndio mno kaka men. Mani uone mama ni mama.
Happy Mother's Day by the way.
Happy Mother's Day. Nene nyocha? Karibuni sana hapa YouTube live. Mama ni muhimu.
Mwambie Saturday tuna drop kitu mpya hapo.
Saturday tuna drop new thing mazee.
Joshua Gutu
and Joshua Gutu.
Udu Genya. Stay tuned at my YouTube channel. Saturday we are dropping a new thing there.
A very nice song mazee by the way. Very nice song. Made Maratari.
Yes. Thank you very much for watching. We love you.
Thank you
so much. Odiero Bernardo out at Churchill Show, Nairobi City.
Karibu sana mazee. Shukran sana for your support mazee.
Saturday we are doing that big thing. Saturday.
New thing. Yes. New heat. Heat after heat. Ogoyot.
Yes mazee. Thank you for supporting. God bless you mazee.
Salute.
Thank you for supporting. God bless.
Yeah.